Hello everyone, welcome to Maricel's Homestead Kitchen. We are here in McDonald's to be gone. We have lunch. I get my ATM card from love. I get my ATM card from BDO Bank, and I got my first payment from YouTube. And now I treat this month here in McDonald's. Now we're going home. What did you say?
I said, thank you, love, for lunch.
Oh, very much welcome. Bye everyone. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. McDonald's is very crowded today, right?
Yeah, it's hot in here because it's crowded. Done?
That's good.
You ready to go?
Yeah.
How was your chicken?
My chickens is not really cooked, so I'm just going to bring home and then put in oven. Because I'm not eating the chicken. It is not really.
Yeah, her first choice of what she ordered wasn't available. Out of stock.
Where is the
Obviously.